Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Japan is seeking to organize a Sri Lanka creditors conference, hoping it could help solve the South Asian nation's debt crisis. But uncertainties could the outlook for any talks. Three people with knowledge of the planning said Tokyo is open to hosting talks among all the direct creditor nations aimed at relieving Colombo from its worst debt crisis since independence. But it is not clear whether top creditor China will join, and a lack of clarity remains about Sri Lanka's finance. One source told Reuters Japan would be willing to chair such a meeting with China if that would speed up the process for addressing Sri Lanka's debt, estimated at $6.2 billion on a bilateral basis at the end of 2020, this source said. President Ranil Wickremesinghe told Reuters last week that Sri Lanka would ask Japan to invite the main creditor nation to talks on restructuring bilateral debts. He said he will discuss the issue with Prime Minister Fumio Kishida in Tokyo next month, when he is expected to attend the funeral of the assassinated former Premier Shinzo Abe. Tokyo, the number two creditor, has a stake in rescuing Sri Lanka, now just a recoup its $3 billion in loan, but also its diplomatic interest in checking China's growing presence in the region. S&P Global this month downgraded Sri Lanka's government's bonds to default after it missed interest and principal payments. The island nation of 22 million people of India's southern tip, with debt at 114% of annual economic output, is in social and financial upheaval from the impact of COVID-19 pandemic on top of years of economic mismanagement. An International Monetary Fund (IMF) team met with Kremlin on Wednesday to discuss a bailout, including restructuring $29 billion in debt as Colombo seeks a $3 billion IMF aid program. The president met the same day with Japan's ambassador. Tokyo believes a new platform is needed to pull creditors together, the source said. Sri Lanka is running out time since it defaulted on its debt. The priority is for creditor nations to agree on an effective scheme. On source said Japan is keen to move this forward, but it's not something Japan alone can raise its hand and push through, said the source, adding that the cooperation of other nations was critical. Japan's foreign ministry declined to comment. Sri Lanka's central bank and finance ministry didn't immediately respond to requests for comments. An IMF spokesperson declined to comment. Concerns include rivalry and territorial tensions between big creditors China and India, while Sri Lanka would have to commit to reforming its finance and disclose more information about its debt, the sources said last month shortly after Wickremesinghe took office when his predecessor fled the country. China's President Xi Jinping wrote to him that the was ready to provide support and assistance to the best of my ability to President Wickremesinghe and the people of Sri Lanka in their efforts. But the sources said getting Beijing's cooperation on a debt restructuring was complicated by factors such as a large number of lenders, and that China was balking at taking a higher cut on its loans and at reducing Colombo's debt burden. A China's foreign ministry spokesman told Reuters that Beijing was willing to stand with relevant countries and international financial institutions and continue to play a positive role in helping Sri Lanka respond to its present difficulties, relieve, relieves its debt burden, and release sustainable development. Japan hopes to see a new debt restructuring framework resembling one set up by the group of 20 big economies targeting low-income countries. Sri Lanka does not fall under the common framework because it is classified as a middle-income emerging country. It must be a platform where all creditor nations participate to ensure they all shoulder a fair share in waiving them. Another source said Thursday until these conditions are met, it will be difficult for any talks to such for subject. Okay, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you.